The Always Ready knee support offers mild, moderate and firm support through its 3 compression straps and 4 removable splints. The support comes with a therapeutic hot and cold gel pat disc, aiding with faster recovery to the knee and its surrounding muscles during injury and rehabilitation. One size fits all, adjustable for optimum fit and available in 2 colours. This support fits both left and right leg. The comfortable and breathable neoprene allows you to experience the pain-relieving benefits of the support throughout the day without discomfort. With the Always Ready logo facing outwards with all the straps unfastened, position your kneecap in the centre of the support. Fasten the bottom strap first, and then the top, and then finally the middle strap. Once applied, adjust the straps to your desired compression levels and ensure the compression level is firm yet comfortable. The hot and cold gel pat disc has been specifically designed to mold around your knee. Unfasten the top and middle strap, and once the gel disc is at the desired temperature, slide comfortably over the kneecap or the affected area. Finally, fasten the top and middle strap, ensuring a comfortable yet secure fit. Before use, please be sure to check the booklet for instructions.